Sana Provost, God is good. Thank you very much also, Bishop. The church has been quite strict, but they recognize that our father was a politician. That was his career. And we can't send him off without some politics about his life. If he was a businessman, we'll be talking here about his biashara. So in recognition of his career, of which he made his national and international name, I graciously have agreed with the bishop and the provost that we'll call a few prominent Kenyans. Now, firstly, let me recognize the presence, and if you could just give them a clap when they stand up. I think Mr. Munya, Governor Munya has left. Okay. Let me start with, first and foremost, my brother-in-law, Senior Counsel Paul Moite, who is also the chairman of my party. Please, Paul, give him a big clap. I also want to recognize my mother-in-law, Honorable Nyiva Mwendwa. Please, Nyiva, I can't see why. There you are. Please give her a big clap. A lot of history with my father. I also want to recognize a colleague of my brother-in-law, Justice Ouko. Please give him a clap. Supreme Court Judge, Asante Sana. Then I have, is Peter Kenneth still here? Okay. Then I have my very good friend, the minority leader of the National Assembly. I always call him leader, Honorable Opio Wandai. Give him a big clap. Thank you for coming. Now, Nakana, I think you can tell by the members who are here which side we seem to be. Let me not say more. Bishop, please, don't give me machokali. Now, there is the Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, a very good friend. Kindly stand up. We'd appreciate giving him a big clap. We have the Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, rafiki yangu kutoka zamani, mpigia makofi. I also, is anybody here missed? Okay, right. Now we'll get to the speakers. I know former AG Emeritus, Senator Busia, Amos Wako. We had a chat, but he was longest in cabinet with my father. Give him a big clap. Big clap. Senator, if you could just say one word, I would really appreciate it. Just one word. Karibu. Just one word.